Good morning, everyone. Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. Here's what was in my tumbler. We have a whole bunch of bracelet blinks, all ready to go. Some new forks that I just got. Some mask holders. They were key holders, but we're using them for masks now. They already have the holes drilled in them, so all you have to do is screw them in the wall. A pair of earrings, and lots of bracelets. We just posted about this on Facebook and Instagram with all the dates. And on the inside, I put the date and the first letter. So 1900, and it starts with let me find another one. Starts with a Y. Looks like a Y. All right, just wanted to give you a quick update. Have a great day, everyone, and I hope you guys all keep making.